Yep, what's going on YouTube? Back in the garage. Callie decided to go full swing into fall. It's pretty cold here now, 60-ish, low 70s, which is nice because it used to be stupid hot. Now I can wear sweaters. Feels great. So I got a message from Bullet Proof Fabricating. They saw that I was only running the front single passenger side tow hook or front recovery point. They sent me a DM and asked if I wanted the driver's side recovery point as well to match it, and I said hell yeah. Sent it over. Just got the package today. I'm gonna get to installing it now. Let's do this. This is how it came shipped in. Hopefully I can whip this up. Came with hardware, which is nice. Ooh, this is beefy. That's a thick boy right there. So this is the driver's side recovery point. So for this install, the OEM bolt that you're going to remove is a 17. The hardware that they sent me is a 19. There's two holes here. One's going to be for the pre-existing bolt, and then the other one you're going to have to drill out if you want to use this as a recovery point. If you just want it there just to match the other side, you don't have to drill the other hole, just use the one bolt. So the bolt you're going to remove is this one right here, and then there's going to be another hole that you have to make over here if you want to use it as a recovery point. So as for me right now, I'm just going to go ahead and use the one single bolt. I don't have time to drill the hole out right now, so that's where we're going with that. This goes in right here. And there it is. Simple as that. So if you look right here, there's an extra hole. You just got to drill through that with the correct drill size, and then use the other hardware that came with it to secure it in. As of right now, probably not going to do that because I don't really have time to. I'm only going to be using that side as the recovery point. Someone is screaming in the background. What the heck? And that's what it looks like on now. It looks pretty nice that it's nice and uniform. I don't just have the one off to the side. Pretty sweet. Super duper easy to install. I appreciate Bulletproof Fabricating for sending all the love and all the care packages. Thank you guys for the matching other side. Appreciate it. If you guys are interested in either of these recovery points, visit bpfabricating.com. Make sure to use coupon code RoamWithJohn for 10% off. And I hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully it was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys love me. I love you guys. Have a good one. Peace.